Good morning, children. Today our topic is the major physical divisions of India. So let me introduce. India is a vast country with varied landforms which has all physical features of earth. That is mountain, plains, deserts, plateaus and islands. We also find different types of rocks and soil. Next come how these physical features are formed. They are formed with the process such as weathering, erosion and deposition have created and modified the present landforms. Means whatever mountains, plains, plateaus are found over the surface, they are being modified through this process. Now next is theory of plate tectonics. You can see here tectonic plates. At present they are being known as continents and islands. According to this theory, the crust upper part of the earth has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates. The movement of the plates are of 3 types. Convergent boundary means move towards each other. Divergent boundary move away from each other. Transformed boundary move horizontally. But this process takes millions of years. Now let us discuss here the major physical division. The first one is Himalayan mountains. It stretches over the northern border of India. Mountain range run in a west-east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra. This range covers a distance of about 2,400 km and their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir toward the west to 150 km Arunachal Pradesh towards the east. Further, it is divided into 3 ranges: Himadri, uppermost range, Himachal, middle range, and third one is Shivalik. So 3 colors are being used to show different ranges. The most important or the top one is Himadri. Himadri, most continuous range with an average height of 6,000 meter. The core of this part of Himalayas is composed of granite. Granite is a type of rocks. It contains all prominent Himalayan peaks, Mount K2, Kanchenjunga and Annapurna, and these mountains are always covered with snow and climate is very cold throughout the year. So this range is very important range of India, especially of Himalaya range. And the south of the Himadri is known as Himachal. This is the second range or the middle range. It is also known as a lesser Himalaya. The altitude varies between 3,700 and 4,500 meters and the average width is of 50 kilometer. See in the map, Pir Panjal and Dhauladhar ranges are also important. Now the southernmost range, this is being known as Shivalik. Shivalik extends over a width of 10 to 50 km and have an altitude varying between 900 and 1100 meters, which is the southernmost range. It is also known as a foothills of Himalaya. It is very famous for its beautiful forest. And tigers are also common. Tigers may roar in Shivalik forest. Now let me discuss here regional divisions of Himalayas. Means from west to east. The part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj, known as Punjab Himalayas towards the west and Kashmir Himalayas from west to east respectively. The part of the Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumayu Himalaya, just see near the Uttarakhand. Further towards the east, it is also known Nepal Himalayas and Assam Himalayas. Next come Purvanchal. The Purvanchal comprises the Patkoi Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills and the Mizo Hills. These all hills are forming the northeastern border of Purvanchal. It's a beautiful region of India and many hill stations are also very much famous. You can see here Indian Himalayan states. Different colors are chosen to show these states. So you can understand very well which states are covered by Himalayas. That's all. Further I will discuss in my next video. Thank you.